Introduction to Basic Drawing, Lesson 1 by Jason Gilmore. The expectations for this video. Number 1, get a piece of white paper and a pencil. Number 2, as the video plays, copy down the words and pictures as they appear. These will be your reference notes. Finally, answer the questions at the end of the video. This will help you remember the terms that we go over in the video. What do you need to make any picture of anything in the world? You need lines. There are 4 basic types of lines. If you know them, then you can make anything in the world. Please write down the word lines with a box in it, around it. Please write the word vertical. Vertical lines are and horizontal and curves. Vertical lines are lines that go up and down, straight up and down. Horizontal lines are lines that go from side to side. Curves can go left, go right, go up and down, but if you put a series of curves together, you will get a wave. The last term, diagonal. Diagonal lines go crisscross. And if you put a bunch of crisscrosses together, you will get a zigzag. If you put lines and curves and together, then you will get a shape. And I'm dividing the shapes into regular shapes and irregular shapes. These are some regular shapes: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, maybe a star. Shapes you recognize. They are two-dimensional, which means they have some length and width. Then there are irregular shapes, which you may not recognize, and they could be made up of curves and diagonals and any other line, but they do not have a name. Then there are the difference between a shape and a non-shape is a shape is any closed form, such as these non-shapes are not closed forms because they have a gap. Like this. So thus they are not shapes. When you're drawing, you are making the illusion that something exists on a two-dimensional plane called paper. Even you can make shapes and turn them into 3D looking objects or 3D forms. Some regular shapes that are in three-dimensional forms would be something like a sphere, a cube, or a pyramid, rectangular prism, or cylinder, as some examples. Irregular shapes can also be made into 3D looking forms, such as this one. And it's 3D because it has length, height, and depth or width. 3 dimensions, 1, 2, 3. More on that later.